Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Revolut passcode step by step. Now, why would you want to change your Revolut passcode? Well, there are a few reasons. For example, maybe you think your current passcode is too easy to guess, or you're worried that someone else might know it, or you just want to stay proactive and keep your account as secure as possible. Whatever your reason is, updating your passcode is a quick and easy way to protect your financial information. Changing your passcode is especially important if you've shared your phone with someone and worry they might have seen your code. Number 2, you suspect any unusual activity on your Revolut account. Number 3, or you've had the same passcode for a while and want a fresh start for added security. So this video is going to be particularly useful for anyone who values the safety of their Revolut account, whether you're new to the app or a long-time user. Now, before we dive into the steps, let me just say, this guide is going to be super straightforward and I'll walk you through everything you need to do. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to update your passcode with no confusion. But first, quick reminder. Changing your passcode only takes a few minutes, but it's a big step in ensuring your account stays secure. It's always a good idea to choose a passcode that's hard for others to guess. Avoid things like your birthday or repetitive numbers. Alright, now here's what we're gonna do. Open your Revolut application and follow along with me. Once you're in the application, head to your settings. You'll find this by tapping on the profile icon in the top left corner. Click on Account. On this page, you will see an option called Change Passcode. Click on it. After that, you'll be prompted to create a new passcode. Make sure it's unique and something only you can remember. Confirm your new passcode. And you're all set. And there you go. Your Revolut passcode has been successfully updated. This process only takes a few minutes, but it adds a significant layer of protection to your account. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.